Yo, I am here to let you guys know, bro. Hold off, hold the ducats, bro. Do not panic right now, and please, bro, please do not pay resale yet for the Air Jordan 4 Undefeated, because I am hearing some really good things. But again, things could switch just like that. But for right now, we looking good for these Air Jordan 4 Undefeateds. I'll let you guys know right now. Let's get into today's video. What's going on, everybody on YouTube, man? Thank you guys so much for tapping into another one from your boy The Vintage, bro. Yesterday, just kind of wrapping that one up, bro. It was so many people with mixed vibes for the Air Jordan 4, rare airs. It was so many people prior to release saying, man, I love them. Them things is crazy. They rate way better than the threes. And I have a little theory about that that I want to share with you guys real quick. All right, so hear me out just real quick. And I'm going to get to the full, meat and potatoes about the Air Jordan 4 Undefeated. But you guys remember, right? We got the Air Jordan 3 rare airs first. Everybody said, oh, man, I'm passing on to, wait till you get to the Air Jordan 4 rare airs, and you guys see how they just flip the energy real quick. People saying the threes is better. They said, man, I'm just gonna pass up on these, waiting for something else, which I also think the Air Jordan 4 Undefeated kind of played a little factor in how these did in terms of, the amount of people that came out to actually get the sneaker. Still a really dope shoe, but again, bro, people were trying to trash these, saying that they're gonna wait and pass on these. They trash, they bricks, and I'm gonna get the Air Jordan 4 rare airs. You guys see kind of how the release went. It's just funny how the sneaker community gets. I don't understand it, but again, I'm gonna keep reiterating every single video, bro. Buy what you like. Just forget all the other stuff, bro. If you like it, get it. If not, you ain't gotta trash the sneaker, man, because both of these are super dope. So if you guys are new here to the channel right now, I need everybody to do, man, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for your boy, run them likes up for your boy The Vintage. Without them likes, bro, we just gonna be sitting stagnant. So if you guys want to continue to grow together, you want to see big things come for the channel, man, I keep running them likes up, I keep spamming the comments down below, man. All right, guys, so we got some huge news for the Air Jordan 4 Undefeated. The first thing to note is that we're hearing that is a lot of pairs. And when you guys hear a lot, you're probably like, yo, it was like 200 some thousand. Probably not that much, but it is enough to make it to where you're not paying an arm and a leg for some sneakers. I heard some stocking between like 100 to 150,000. That doesn't seem like, too much, but it's way more than, I guess you could say, like a 20-30,000, pair drop or stock drop with certain, collaborations and stuff like that. I think the resale will drop tremendously within the next couple of days, because tomorrow on Monday we do have the UQL raffle that is going to be live, and it's going to be shipping out to people. And then on Wednesday they have an in-store pickup raffle for the Undefeated 4s as well. I'll put a little screenshot up here so you guys can see. So you got three. We got 3 chances to hit on these Air Jordan 4 Undefeateds. Number 1 is the online raffle. Number 2 is the in-store raffle, which is available for pickup. And then 3 is the online raffle, the online release, sorry, on Saturday, August the 2nd. So we are coming back to back with 3 opportunities to snag the pair. And we all know that the sneakers app probably is going to drop about 30-40,000 pairs of the Air Jordan 4 Undefeateds as well. So please, bro, please, y'all hold off. Do not spend y'all money right now, because I know everybody got FOMO, right? We just seen the drop on, in Chicago, where they had the dope little pop. That was super dope. I wish I was in Chicago when that happened. The nice little, whole aesthetics, the whole vibes was crazy. And to see the whole community getting together, copping a pair of Air Jordan 4 Undefeated, just doesn't even seem real. Like, I know when they first dropped, over 10 years ago when they came out, nobody would expect to see them again. And they are just empty in the vault. They empty in the clip when it comes to those, safeguarded sneakers, I would say, like the Undefeated 4s, Wu-Tang Dunks. I wouldn't even be surprised if we get some more Pigeon SBs. I'm just saying, like, just throwing it out there. You guys, what I'm saying? Like, those collabs you want think to get back again, like calls. You just never know what Nike can do, man. But again, man, 3 opportunities. And again, we might have that 4th shot on this thing. I'm pretty sure we're gonna get our sneakers app. I'm gonna check real quick, like, just to see if I see anything on the sneakers app. I know shortly we should see some stuff, but again, man, I'm just excited that we got some Undefeateds coming back out. And let me know in the comment section if you're gonna be snagging a pair. I know everybody gonna be trying to get a pair. You know, it's funny, right? Next thing you know, the resale tank or something like that. People are like, oh, they trash, they should never brought them back out. we gonna see those comments. I'm telling you, bro. Just enjoy the sneakers, bro. Just enjoy what we get from Nike. It ain't that serious, man. So I do not see anything for the Airs and 4 Undefeateds on the upcoming, but I did want to check the resale just real quick because I want to see how far we could potentially see these dropping. Like, you know what I'm saying, we might see them down in the 300s, the high 2s. You never know, you know what I'm saying. That's probably far-fetched, but they definitely are going to drop. So let me find them on the GOAT calendar real quick. Releasing August the 2nd. They look so crispy. I can't wait to get them. So again, man, the pairs are going for like $700 in some sizes. But again, that's a good sign, bro. Back in the day, it was going for like over $15,000, bro. But again, with all the stock, when all these pairs starting to get pushed out, I'm telling you, bro, hold your ducket. Just wait a couple of days. I'm telling you, the resale is going to drop tremendously, dog. So I appreciate all the support, man. Thank you guys so much for tapping into today's video. Again, man, sub up, hit the notification bell. We got some more updates coming in terms of some upcoming sneakers. Hopefully we got some early coming soon. That's releasing like September, October. And then, you know, just to kind of wrap the whole year. But we need them gammas, we need the taxis, we need all of joints in the collection. Because I never had a brand new pair of taxis, and I never had the gammas. So I need both them joints, bro. Hey, I love you guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. With all being said, your boy The Vintage. Gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.